Well, here's a statistic that's far from reassuring. Next to Iraq, India loses more people in terror attacks than any other country in the world. But why is our police unable to crack so many cases involving terror attacks?
Well, the answer really is twofold. Terrorists now are younger, smarter and better educated. And the second reason, as Ajay said, are police forces poorly equipped and manned by barely trained policemen.
Samjhauta, Makkah Masjid, Lumbini Park, Ajmer Dargah. Just who is responsible for these strikes? Terrorists, yes. But beyond that, there are no clear answers. Who are they? How they operate? Who provides the logistics? There are no answers. Until 2 years ago, most blasts were solved. But since the attack on the Science Institute in Bangalore 2 years ago, none of the blasts have been solved fully despite clues. Insiders say one of the reasons they have had no success with solving recent blasts is a change in the way terrorists function now. Terrorists have stopped using telephones of any kind to communicate. So chaining or tracking phone calls doesn't work. Today terrorists more often use human couriers. And this means intelligence agencies have to build sources and penetrate terror networks, which is far more difficult. But perhaps the bigger problem is the anti-terror mechanism of India, both at the center and in the states.
The basic problem is that we ask the state police to tackle there is a first line of defense against terrorism. The state police is not equipped to deal with terrorism for the simple reason, number one, they are transferred every 3 years. Number two, the intelligence branches are neglected for a long time. And number three, in all cases of terrorism, it does not happen, the conspiracy is not hatched up within the borders of the state.
Clearly, terror networks are better organized and have in the past 2 or 3 years managed to penetrate even the smaller towns in India. Blasts are no longer limited to crowded markets in metros, and smaller towns today also supply operatives and logistics.
Gathering information about terrorist activities is the most difficult thing for any police or intelligence unit to do. Because for the simple reason that terrorism is borderless and it is highly secretive. They are professional people, committed people, ideologically or religiously indoctrinated people, and to get information from them through the usual methods of intelligence gathering like penetration or where there are various methods of doing it is extremely difficult unless we have a federal agency to tackle the incidents of terrorism, all forms of terrorism. That is the only way we can solve the problem of terrorism here.
But most states have refused to agree to a federal investigating agency, even though individual states admit they aren't equipped to deal with terrorism. Recent efforts of the UPA government to set up a federal agency like the FBI have gone nowhere.
देश के बहुत सारे संगठनों ने इसमें कुछ खामियां बताई हैं। उनसे कहा गया है कि वो लोग हमको अपने मशवरे भेजें, हम उनके मशवरों को भी उस बिल में शामिल करेंगे। इसलिए अभी उस बिल को पेंडिंग किया गया है।
The result? A blame game between the center and the state after each attack. NDTV Bureau Report.